My introduction to the Betsy, the first time I was ever there when it was in your possession, Jonathan, was that John Stewart brought me over for a writer's breakfast salon with Ben Mesrick. And it was such an enjoyable experience. There was only about 12 people sitting around the table having breakfast and schmoozing, and it was terrific. I have a question for everybody. The B bar is one of the most unique spaces on the planet. And every time I'm at the Betsy, if I'm with somebody that hasn't been there, I always take them down there and have them figure out what's going on down there. But you also have your gallery where you regularly have events from dancing to opera to people giving speeches and whatnot. How did you decide which of the rooms you wanted to use, and why did you decide on the Betsy on the B bar?
Well, I mean, I can jump in and say, each of these, I mean, look, we're a place of hospitality, and I think in some respects, our contribution to the community is that we are comfortably a place to convene. We're kind of in the convening business. Sometimes it's people on vacation convening, but very often it's writers or artists or whomever convening. And I always say it's easy to be hospitable because we're really in the hospitality business. We can say, please come in, welcome. And the B bar is just one of those spaces, which, by the way, surrounded by 26 light boxes. There's a beautiful installation in there now. It won't be the same installation every time one of these writers that Christina is going to curate is going to show up. But it's a conducive place, an intimate place, I think, for people to listen to ideas and share ideas and to have an author read. So I could make an argument for each of them in different ways. I'm sitting in our library of the Betsy right now. Each is different, but that's one of the special spaces I think that's conducive to this kind of environment.